Okay, it's Sunday afternoon. We're headed out to Vogel State Park, an easy trail to hike and a beautiful little fall in that park. They're doing some construction, so we'll just have to see how it all pans out, but you can ride with us. We go through Blairsville, Georgia to get to the Vogel State Park. Now, Vogel State Park is kind of like the beginner hikers park. Don't you think so, Sally?
Yes, it is for beginners.
It's no big inclines, not a heavy workout at all. It's pretty good path for just straight walking and not very long as well. It's a nice walk, especially on a nice day like today. Now, we're at the beginning of spring, so the leaves haven't quite got out on the trees and the flowers aren't all up, but you'll be able to see the trail pretty good when we get to Vogel State Park. And then it has not only a beginner's hiker trail, but almost like a beginner's falls. But it's a real nice place to go, about 45 minutes from Murphy, North Carolina to Vogel State Park to see the hike and the trail and then the falls. Now they're doing some construction, and so we'll see how it works parking wise as we get down there. This is the visitor center for Vogel State Park, and they're doing a lot of construction. Busy Sunday afternoon, but looks like a beautiful, beautiful day. We'll catch up to JD and Sally. It's gonna be a big center.
It is nice. Wow. Yeah.
Looks
That was
like
all parking last time.
Looks like they're really improving the center, the visitor center. They have several cabins where people can come and stay, 30 cottages. And they also have a group shelter and a little museum. Well, I think they have 35 cottages where people can stay. This area was the parking lot, but now it's going to be primarily the visitor center right on the edge of the lake here. Beautiful lake. $5 pass for the day for Georgia State Park. There's the bear trash can. Some kayakers. And some people on the beach. Some daffodils coming through a cold spring. Some paddle boats just waiting for people to take them out on the lake. Vogel State Park. Wonderful little trail to some falls, which you'll see in a moment. We had a beautiful Sunday. Spring has sprung and it's a beautiful day. Probably in another month, this trail will be absolutely beautiful with all the leaves and trees budding and blooming, flowers and everything. Probably in about a month or so, this place will be absolutely beautiful with all the leaves out and the flowers blooming. We have some spring flowers coming up, but it seems almost like every couple of weeks something new is blooming. We're getting close to the falls on this trail. Like we said when we started, it's a pretty easy trail, especially for two senior citizens like us. And there's the falls. You can certainly hear them and see them. Vogel State Park, beautiful lake, beautiful cottages, beautiful visitor center that's being built right now. And then this beautiful falls as it goes down into the creek. Going back up, there is a little bit of an incline, but nothing serious, nothing exhausting. If we can make it, you can make it.